Here's a parcel of mostly fossil type material from Lightning Ridge. It's probably mostly timber, but there's a couple of pieces here that are shells. Anyway, we'll go in a bit closer. Okay, as you can see, it varies in size from quite small pieces up to a few pieces that are quite large. Fortunately, a large shell doesn't really have much colour in it, it's just basically potch. I'll get into that in a second. Here it is here. Quite a mussel type shell, one of the longer skinnier ones like the New Zealand mussel type piece. Here's another one, looks more like a pippy. These pieces of fossil, I think it's fossil type material. Bits and pieces. Some of it's honey potch. Fortunately, a lot of it doesn't have the colour in it. There's a smaller piece. Hundreds of small pieces with colour. It's probably a fossil too by the looks. Sure, if you spend the time, you find more piece of something. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.